Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And yes, I get to still wear my winter pajamas. It's freezing outside today and it's early, so I just want to give this my best shot. I actually enjoy winter. My favorite seasons are autumn, spring, and winter, and then summer. Jim and I have an agreement. We can only complain about one season a year. And believe me, he has complained so much about this winter that this summer is all mine. I can complain about. But anyway, I want to talk about what I want to talk about today. And it is the only thing that I have done that I can actually see my hair getting thicker, especially in the crown. And I'll give you a little bit of history. I don't have any before or after pictures, but I will put a link below and above of my bathroom. I have in the bathroom, I have the worst lighting possible. I never put my makeup on in there. I have 4 large windows behind me. I have a mirror in front of me and an overhead light directly above. I would never fix my hair in that mirror because I've always been able to see straight through with that light behind it and the light on top of it. Well, on February the 14th, I started using a Derma Roller on my head. And a couple of days ago when I washed my hair, I'm going to put the film in a little bit later because some of you may not want to see it. It's not gory, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't bleed, but you know, this is just what I do. I'm thinking it was October, Elle is for Living did a video on how she thickened her hair. And it was on derma rolling. Well, I tried it a few times and I just lost interest. And on February 14th, I usually try things on the 14th or the 19th because those are easy numbers for me to remember. But on February 14th, I started using the derma roller each and every time I shampoo. In mid-March, Elle put up another video, and I'm going to link these videos below because she really has some excellent documentation and studies regarding the stimulating of the hair growth. How I do it is on freshly washed hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the film that I filmed 2 days ago. I've just washed my hair. I used a conditioner, but not by my scalp, and my hair is very wet. And I'm just gonna show you how I use the Derma Roller. I'm gonna put my hair back tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't hurt. I'm using the 0.5 millimeter. This Derma Roller either came from Amazon or Skin Diva, but I just go in one direction because I'm not willing to get any of my hair caught up in this. I know some people part their hair and that would work fine, but I've really had good results doing this. After I've derma rolled, and I do like 6 swipes, pick up, I go back, I pick up my derma roller and go back again. I don't go back and forth. And after I'm done, I cannot stop using the Pantene Age Defy. And you can only buy this on Amazon or Walmart. And I had good luck with this, but because of Elle, I've been adding this, and it's the Nutriox. So I wash my hair. If I wash my hair on Monday, I will probably wash it on Thursday or Friday. And washing my hair too often doesn't do well. My scalp really gets dry. And I massage my scalp really well before I wash my hair. I massage it when the water's running through my hair before I even add the shampoo. I'm gonna put 6 or 8 pumps of this. It doesn't burn. And then I'm going to put 6 pumps of this. And I just use it on my crown. And then the important thing is you massage it for a minute. Believe me, when I am in front of my mirror, I go straight. I go straight back. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't do anything, but it has made, and I only use it on this part right from here to here. It has made such a difference in my hair. I've had several people watch older videos and talk about they could see my scalp. And I didn't really talk. I used to use those. Oh, I used Color Wow. Well, I'll link a video what I used to use to cover my scalp. I haven't covered my scalp in a couple of years, but there are a lot of products out there. I know I have okay hair. There's a lot of people that have a lot better hair, and I know there's a whole lot of people who have a lot worse hair. But I just wanted to share this with you because it has been 2 months since I started doing it. My hairstylist could see the difference a month ago because all the hair was probably about 3/4 of an inch long, and now it's probably an inch and a half longer. So I've had some hair sticking up all over, and but believe me, I enjoy it. I'm going to continue doing this. Just like absolutely everything, you have to do your own research. Every physician, every dermatologist, every healthcare provider has a different opinion on so many things. So it's, as a consumer to healthcare, we have to have, number one, somebody we trust, and what they say to us has to make sense. So what I'm doing for me makes perfect sense, and I am seeing good results. I wore my silk nightcap, and I'm going to put a picture up here. I get cracked up when I see that picture, but I wore it. I washed my hair 2 days ago. I've worn my silk nightcap for 2 nights. I got up today. I haven't done anything to my hair, but I did comb it, so it looked a little bit better. Now I want to announce some winners. The first winner, I didn't ever hear from the winner I announced 2 weeks ago. I contacted her. I sent her a private message and then put her name on another video, and I didn't ever hear anything from her. So these are the false eyelashes that I really like. They're from 1-2 Cosmetics. They're magnetic, and they're accent lashes. And I had a backup person. In fact, I had 2 backup people, but I didn't take the picture like I normally do. So I had to go back in the comments and find the winner. And the winner of these false eyelashes is Deb Melton. Deb, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll let you know how to get in contact with me. I enjoyed reading your comments so much on my last video. You shared with me what type of videos you liked of mine, and it really meant a lot to me. I'm surprised there's that many people that enjoy my get readies with me's, but I was glad to hear that. So the first prize was the It Cosmetics foundation brush, and this is the one that's kind of shaped like a triangle, and with it came the Bye Bye Pores Press Powder, and the winner of that is Carol A. Congratulations, Carol. And for the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Bulb Brush and the new bronzer, the winner of that is Renee Anselmi. Congratulations, Renee, and just comment below. Congratulations to the 3 winners. You just need to comment below, and I'll let you know how to contact me. This year I'm truly trying to do giveaways that I can mail in envelopes so that can safely get to you, because it is a whole lot less expensive than mailing packages, because I like to do giveaways. I can't help it. I like to do giveaways. If I get criticized, that's okay with me, because I feel like I'm blessed, and some products I receive and some products I buy for you. And mostly what I like to do the best is I like to do the e-gift cards, because I know I don't have to worry about it getting to you. This Thursday is the anniversary of me being on YouTube for 4 years, and I want to do something to celebrate that. So I want to have a giveaway. Yeah, shock, I want to do a giveaway. But today I want to do something different. Since I've been on here 4 years, I want to give away 4 $50 e-gift cards. And if you're from out of the country and I can't get you an e-gift card, we'll come up with something else. I can deposit money in your, or even if you're in the States, if you would rather have some money deposited in your PayPal, I can do that. So my rules are the same as they always have been. I would like you to leave a comment below and just tell me what your weather's like today. Just tell me what kind of weather you're having. Have that in your comment. You have to be 18 years old or older. Subscribe to my channel before it goes live. Give a thumbs up on this video, and this giveaway will close in 4 days, and I will announce the winners in an upcoming video. I just want to thank you all so much. I can't believe how many people are subscribed to me. You'll never know how much I appreciate it and how surprised I really am. So that's what I want to do for my 4th year anniversary. Don't have to. Hey, I am enjoying going to the post office. I know Becky really, really well, and I would never have known her had it not been for me going to the post office. It is all good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and do that to everybody that you watch. It really means a lot. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a great day. See you in my next video. Tomorrow